Okay. Ooh. Is it at the club?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Well, I wonder if they opened early because the place is full. I think we're just gonna park right here.
Sure. So probably this door, or oh, maybe that door.
Oh, there's Steph.
Yeah.
They're just leaving.
Yeah. Wow, they're leaving. That's not a good sign.
No. Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Well,
we took all the good stuff.
Well, I thought it didn't open
at 10
for another 10 minutes.
Well, that was the at 9. Because the Facebook event said 9, or said 10, sorry. Somebody posted on Verizon said 9. So I posted in question and said, which is it? She's like, no, it's supposed to be 9 o'clock.
oh, I only saw the one. So
Oh, that sucks.
Oh well, that's okay.
Did you guys find some good stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh okay. Have a great day,
see you guys.
See you. Such a nice family.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's lots of stuff.
Yeah. Wow, it's big.
Yeah, bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it's bigger on the inside than it is on the outside, this place.
We'll get these.
Well, we're already finding stuff.
Check for chips.
2 steps in.
Check for chips. And up around here. Oh, that looks good.
Not seeing any chips.
Yeah, 2 steps in, I already found
Yeah, I know.
Those are photos.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Sepia tone.
Yeah. Oh. Elvis.
Oh.
It's nice beveled.
Yeah.
Looks like it came out of something though.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's get thrifting.
Yep.
Are you guys going to that estate sale later?
Yes. Thank you, you too. Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
But feel that? And imagine that rubbing right here.
Oh yeah, that's terrible, hey? It's so scratchy.
You can't get sequin dresses that are fully sequined because it'll rip your armpit off.
Yeah.
It's awful. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, it does.
But I can't remember who I read that and I was like, I never thought about it because I never had one. But
Right.
Swarovski things. Oh, here's the jewelry. Oh, it's I think a graduation cap.
Oh, yep. You got it. That's exactly what it is.
I mean, that's a good price.
So what's in these other ones then?
Oh, perfume.
Oh, okay. A little tiny
There we go.
miniature. Yeah. Yeah.
Atomizer on it. Oh.
Oh, a whole set. It's like a decanter and a wine glass and a
corkscrew.
What is this? A bathtub? I don't know.
Wine holder.
Oh yeah, you're right. A corkscrew.
Yeah.
And I don't know.
Yeah.
All miniatures. And a wine bottle.
Somebody probably got all of that for like graduation.
Yeah, I'm gonna need more wine.
I'm gonna go on
That's
the
a small bottle.
Yeah. It's not enough to share.
No.
Ooh.
Wow.
That is sparkly.
Holy cow, my retinas are
burnt
burnt right out after looking at that.
I know.
I don't know if the music's quite loud enough in here yet. That's sarcasm.
That I can tell. Oh, blush beauty bar. What does that? Just smells like alcohol, so I don't know.
Oh, my favorite.
I don't know what it is.
It smells like Labatt's, like Coors.
Yeah.
All the canning jars?
I already sold the other, chicken water that I would need one for.
Right.
Oh, more punch bowls.
Yeah, we could have had
A pretty good
enough punch bowls to host the biggest party in the city.
Yep.
The biggest party the city's ever seen.
Yep. Yeah, definitely.
But first,
Coffee.
Le Creuset mugs.
Oh.
Some people online said it's pronounced Le Creuset.
Not.
They're not.
They're in the box that they came in, but. I just don't know about these. This is a full set, though.
Yeah, it is a whole set. Is it supposed to have the carrier?
Yeah, that's a good. The wire.
Yeah.
Probably.
A lot of those usually we find in the carriers.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at these.
Oh my God! Look, that is so cute.
With the gingerbread man inside.
Surprise! Can you imagine me drinking like what is in the bottom of my cup?
Look at these bowls.
Oh yeah.
Those are really nice. I mean, they're not big enough for me.
No.
They're so tiny. That's the problem. Mm-hmm. Whoa. Oh, if that was porcelain,
I know.
I would totally say you should get that for our massive mortar.
Yep. Ooh. That is not good.
Oh. Oh my God.
Hold that while I plug it in and see if it works.
Sorry, I'm dying over this music.
I know. I don't know why it has to be so loud.
I can't hear myself think. Oh my God. Hey, look what I found.
It's $1. Are these key rings?
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
I think so.
Yeah.
Holy. A key ring full of key rings.
There's that whole second area.
Could you imagine one key on every ring and then you hang that from your...
Walk around with that.
Jingle, jingle.
Yeah.
I don't think it's glowy, but...
No, it's only $1.
Okay.
It's art glass.
You don't think there's any chips on it?
I don't think so. Did you see any? I don't feel any. It's hard to tell. It's dirty.
It is dirty, but... Oh, yep. Okay.
You got it?
Yep, I got it.
Do you want a reusable bag?
Sure.
Put stuff in? There. That'll be better, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, dear.
Is that a kitty cat for your mother?
Oh. Yeah. Oh, no. Is
Uh-oh. Darn it.
Yeah.
Almost.
These are interesting. I wonder if they're supposed to be together, intertwined. I bet they are.
And do you think they're like pheasants or something?
They're glass. I think they're just art. Well, maybe they don't intertwine.
And offer you guys one of these. I got sucked into buying a box.
Oh!
Try one?
Do you want one?
They're saying they're good.
You finding treasures? Oh, this is cute.
That kind of stuff. So I picked it up.
I won't have one, but you go ahead. dear.
Okay. Well, I'd never say no to a
Here.
tasty looking treat.
Give me this.
I think you better have them because apparently you can't get them anywhere else in their
No, I'm good, thank you. Yes, I appreciate it,
Oh
though.
my goodness. That is delicious.
But thank you.
Look at that. So it's just like a pastry filled with cream. Well, that's really generous of her to...
I know. It's totally. Is that good?
I got all over.
On your shirt, all crumbs. I have a
I'm wearing it.
I have a Kleenex in my pocket. Do you want it?
Sure.
I think I used it on my eyeballs already, but
Thank you.
you're welcome. So, guess we'll zip over to this side. Let those people set up. Must have slept in. That lamp and that shade.
Yeah, that shade.
I know. I like the shape of it.
$20. You love lamp.
I do love lamp. I might have to snag that on the way out. I'm not carrying it right now, though. I know it's gone. It's gone. Hello. Good. How are you? Little teeny little Gotch keychain. I mean, who doesn't?
I used to sell jockey clothing.
Oh,
Got your keys?
yeah. That's funny.
Good job.
Leave the house. Make sure you got your keys.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah.
For the orchid?
No, that's smaller than what
it's
it's
too
in.
small?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know it needs to be almost transplanted again, hey? It's like lifting itself out of there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do I want that lamp? I would recover that shade.
I'm surprised you're not. That shade is super cool with the shape of it.
I like the shape of it, yeah. I should probably get it, hey?
I mean, I think you should, but
Yeah.
it's not my money, so.
I'll take your lamp, please.
Okay, I will point out too, the lamp, the back here has got some tears in it. Just so you know. Yeah. The lamp works and everything though.
Would you take 15?
Sure.
Okay.
I just want you to read.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate that.
I love it, but.
You're having a hard time selling.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
We're moving, so I have to downsize.
It's tough. I like all my stuff too, so I get it.
You look good carrying on.
Yeah.
You look good.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, that's it's definitely my color. Thanks.
Thank you.
I have to put a sticker on it too.
Let's go with my dress.
That's what I do.
Okay.
I'll just put it on here for you. There you go.
Thank you.
So I can relate to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There, now you can see. You're part of the group now. You're hiding before.
Yeah, he was hiding behind the lamp. Now
Yeah.
he's.
Now I want to open it.
Yeah, you have to find something else tall to put there. Okay, you ready?
Trying to push my glasses.
Have a good day. Thanks. Oh,
Yeah, thanks.
okay.
Okay.
So-
we pay for everything here.
I think you
We just paid for this at that table. She put a sticker on it. But the rest of the stuff we haven't paid for.
There's 10 and 11. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay,
You ready?
we're set.
All right. Have a good day.
Wow, this is, lift this.
Is it heavy?
It's really, it's heavier than it looks.
Here, give me this
Deceptively heavy. No, I'm good.
one. Okay.
I'm just like, it's.
I know it
You lift
really
it, you're
is
like,
heavy.
oh my God.
Yeah.
That thing's got weight.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks.
See you guys.
See you later. Thanks for coming. We found some treasures.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Isn't it cute? It is.
I love it.
The shape of it, everything about it is great.
Talk about a conversation.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. This side's nicer. It's not quite as faded and there's no rips in it.
Yeah.
But yeah. Yeah. It's a nice old one.
And that's that. Okay, you ready? Yeah, this was a bigger place than I thought.
Yeah, it's huge on the inside.
Okay. Oh. Oh,
I don't think it matters.
okay.
I saw other people exit from this door earlier,
Well, this is, yeah.
even though it's the entrance. Hey, well, that's all right.
Yeah. These will go with that tea set.
They totally will. That we got last week.
Yeah. Totally reminds me of them.
It does. The same, like, glazing
I can't
style and
believe
everything.
How heavy that lamp is.
Oh, it's lamp's like 10 pounds.
Okay. Yeah, we didn't check that one for glow, but I don't think.
It's
don't think.
not the right color of green, but
No.
yeah, you're gonna need both arms for that one.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I wonder if I should take the top off.
It's that glass bottom is like thick, so it's heavy.
Yeah. I think it's crystal.
Okay, you're probably right.
It's just dusty.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
And she said it works. The only thing that's sort of needs some TLC is that shade, which is just a totally awesome shape.
I love the shape of it. Yeah.
That's why I was
I'll probably recover.
I was surprised that you were.
I feel kind of bit guilty recovering it because she loves it so much, but that's just going to get worse.
Well, yeah, you can't.
This was
you can't fix that.
No, that was on the sunny side.
Yes, you can totally tell that this side's way faded
But
than this side.
The shape is. Somebody recovered. This is hand done.
Oh yeah.
Hand sewn. Wow.
Look at that.
Amazing.
And because on the Warren side, this is all white, and yet this is pink.
Yes. Yeah. What does it say? Novelty Studios. Art Novelty Studios, Toronto. So they probably bought the frame. Just the frame.
Just the frame.
Is. Because I thought, oh, I'll buy some online and recover them. Pfft. You'd have to charge so much money because they're so expensive. Just
so
the
this
wire.
is the best way to do it, is just find them in the wild. Okay. On to the next.
Okay. Well, that's good.
Yeah. More lamps.
Yeah.
You're the lamp lady.
Angie's the lamp lady. She, oh my goodness. You think I buy lots of lamps?
Oh, does she?
Oh my God. Well, you see how many I rewire for her?
Yeah, that's true. You do a lot of rewiring.
And I rewire about 10 or 20% of what she buys.
Wow.
I know.
Wow, because you do a lot. You rewire usually like 2 or 3 lamps a week.
Yeah, well, whenever she's in town, she usually
Angie.
brings me at least one.
So I wonder if I can
Turn around? Yeah, and go out over there.
exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you can.